We help cities make smarter, more cost-effective decisions on development proposals. The challenges cities are facing today: rising land and infrastructure costs, climbing interest rates, and mounting pressure on housing affordability. These problems are made worse by inefficient layout proposals with excessive infrastructure, creating long-term maintenance burdens for cities. With street construction averaging approximately $1,200 a linear foot, wasteful layouts drain developer profits and saddle cities with additional unnecessary maintenance forever. Our analysis at the initial concept submittal stage helps identify ways so that changes can be made to reduce hundreds of thousands of dollars in construction cost while adding real estate taxable value. This is a win-win for both city and developer. Immersive 3D visualization. Our spatial analysis seamlessly converts submittals into interactive 3D using video game technology. No expertise needed. Planning commissions and councils can walk through proposals in real time, enter units, and even look out the windows. The days of misleading pastel renderings are over. Contact us today to make your city more sustainable tomorrow.